Have you ever noticed how certain everyday activities seem to require a bit more effort than they used to? Maybe carrying groceries feels heavier, or your afternoon walks leave you a bit more tired than you'd like. You're certainly not alone. This is a common experience as we age. But here's some wonderful news. What you choose to eat can make an incredible difference in how energetic, healthy, and independent you feel, especially after turning 60. Today, we're diving into something incredibly important: how to start eating healthy to maintain your independence and vitality. I'm going to share 6 amazing foods that not only nourish your body, but also help you feel strong, energized, and ready to enjoy life on your terms. You see, after 60, nutrition isn't just about counting calories or trying to lose weight. It's about choosing foods that support your overall health, strengthen your muscles and bones, and even sharpen your mind. The right diet can genuinely help you stay independent longer, allowing you to continue doing the activities you love, whether it's gardening, traveling, playing with your grandchildren, or simply enjoying daily life without limitations. Let's start with one of the most incredible foods out there: berries. Yes, delicious, sweet, colorful berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These little fruits are more than just tasty. They're nutritional powerhouses. Loaded with antioxidants, berries help combat inflammation, which is especially important as we age because inflammation can be at the root of many health issues, from joint pain to heart disease. Eating berries regularly can also help protect your memory and cognitive functions, making it easier to stay sharp and focused. You don't have to make drastic changes to enjoy these benefits. A simple handful of berries added to your oatmeal or yogurt in the morning, or even blended into a delicious smoothie, can make a noticeable difference in your health. Imagine starting your day with something delicious that also actively supports your body. Doesn't that sound great? Next, let's talk about leafy green vegetables, another superstar in the world of healthy eating. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens. These leafy greens aren't just for salads anymore. They're packed with calcium, vitamins, fiber, and a host of minerals that directly benefit your bones, muscles, and even your digestive system. For instance, did you know that kale contains significant amounts of calcium, which is essential for bone strength? Stronger bones mean fewer worries about falls or fractures, and that translates directly into maintaining your independence. Here's a practical tip. Try sautéing these leafy greens with some garlic and olive oil for dinner, or add them to soups and stews for extra nutrients and flavor. The great thing about leafy greens is how versatile they are. You don't need fancy recipes or complicated meals, just simple, tasty ways to include them regularly in your diet. Speaking of versatility, let's not overlook the humble sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are loaded with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help regulate blood sugar levels, support your eyesight, and boost your immune system. That's particularly valuable as you get older, because balanced blood sugar can prevent fatigue and improve your overall energy levels throughout the day. Imagine having the stamina to enjoy activities all day without the dreaded afternoon slump. This is what regularly enjoying foods like sweet potatoes can do for you. A simple baked sweet potato sprinkled with cinnamon makes for an easy, nourishing snack or side dish. It's tasty, easy to prepare, and incredibly good for your body. So far, we've covered berries, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes, 3 delicious ways to start eating healthier and feeling great. But we're just getting started. There are more fantastic foods that can significantly boost your independence and vitality. Now that we've explored these tasty first choices, let's continue discovering more ways your diet can help you feel stronger and healthier than ever.